Imagine a life where the open highway is not a workplace, but your permanent address, where every sunrise arrives through a massive windshield and every night ends in a bed that never leaves you behind. This is not the romantic version of trucking you have seen before. What you are about to witness pushes far beyond simple sleeper cabs and tired roadside motels. These machines stretch longer than apartments, rise taller than houses, and carry enough technology, comfort, and luxury to completely erase the idea of sacrifice on the road. At first glance, they look like ordinary semi-trucks, but the moment the doors open, reality bends. Living rooms replace dashboards, kitchens rival modern condos, and bathrooms exist where engines once dominated imagination. It forces a question most people have never considered. If a truck can become a true home, what does travel even mean anymore? As these rolling giants grow larger and more extreme, the line between vehicle and residence disappears entirely. And by the time you reach the final build in this journey, even the wildest expectations of size, power, and design will feel painfully small. Afterwards now. Peterbilt 567. At first glance, the Peterbilt 567 appears as a standard semi, its strong lines and modern cab blending seamlessly into the highway. But step behind the driver's seat, and it's immediately clear this is no ordinary truck. The sleeper has been transformed into a full-time living space, stretching over 14 feet with luxury finishes that rival high-end apartments. Every inch has been designed for comfort on the road, from the king-size bed that invites restful sleep to the soft ambient lighting and insulated walls that create a cozy private retreat. Inside, a compact yet fully functional kitchen allows the driver to prepare fresh meals, replacing the need for fast food stops and roadside diners. Recliners, entertainment systems, and ample storage make this truck a self-contained home, ensuring that every journey is as comfortable as it is efficient. Even the bathroom, complete with shower, is a testament to the thought and care poured into this build. What is most shocking is how seamless the transition feels from the cab to the living quarters. Nothing seems out of place, and everything feels deliberate. This truck does more than provide a place to sleep. It redefines what life on the highway can look like, blending practicality with indulgence in perfect harmony. Every detail, from the climate-controlled interiors to the ergonomically designed layout, proves that extended travel need not compromise comfort. The Peterbilt 567 sets the bar, showing that a truck can be both a workhorse and a sanctuary, paving the way for the even more extreme builds that follow. Freightliner Argosy. The Freightliner Argosy is not just a truck, it's a statement of ambition and craftsmanship. From the outside, its stretched frame and sleek design hint at the extreme transformation within. At 32 feet long, nearly double the size of a standard tractor, it already demands attention. But the real surprise waits inside. The rear-mounted engine clears space at the front, creating an expansive living area that feels more like a studio apartment than a sleeper cab. Every detail has been meticulously planned to combine luxury, functionality, and durability, proving that life on the road can be lived in style without compromise. Step inside, and the custom interior reveals a full kitchen equipped for fresh meals, a spacious bathroom with modern fittings, and a double bed designed for long-term comfort. Ambient lighting and refined wood finishes elevate the space, while clever storage solutions keep everything organized for life on the move. This isn't about indulgence for its own sake. It's about practical living at the highest level. Every element reflects a deep understanding of what drivers truly need when the road becomes home. What sets the Argosy apart is the story behind it. Built by Andy Bobiak over 5 years, entirely independently, this truck embodies dedication, vision, and personal passion. It's more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle choice. A rolling home that allows freedom, comfort, and independence. Even in motion, its 6-cylinder Detroit diesel engine ensures smooth performance, proving that extreme comfort does not come at the cost of capability. The Freightliner Argosy raises the standard for custom sleepers, making it clear that on the highway, luxury and power can coexist seamlessly, and hinting at the even more ambitious builds waiting further down the line. Kenworth W900L 100th Anniversary Edition. Few trucks carry history and prestige like the Kenworth W900L, and this 100th Anniversary Edition elevates that legacy to astonishing heights. At first glance, it looks like a classic icon of American highways, but the extended sleeper over 13 feet transforms it into a mobile luxury apartment. Every inch of this build merges heritage with modern comfort, preserving the soul of a truck celebrated for decades while introducing a level of indulgence rarely seen on the road. Beneath the hood, a Cummins X15 engine delivers 605 horsepower and over 2,000 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 18-speed manual transmission and a 6x4 drivetrain, ensuring this Leviathan performs flawlessly across any terrain. But the true marvel lies behind the driver's seat. Step inside, and massage chairs, a gourmet kitchen, stainless steel cabinetry, a queen-size bed, and a fully functional bathroom await. Ambient LED lighting casts a warm glow over polished wood and leather finishes, blending style and comfort comfort seamlessly. Every detail has been handcrafted or curated with precision, from marine-grade materials to bespoke interior touches, creating an environment that rivals the finest hotel suites. Outside, polished wheels, anniversary badges, and a long commanding chassis make it impossible to ignore this celebration of truck engineering. The W900L proves that a truck can honor its history while redefining modern living on wheels. It stands as a bold vision for the future of sleeper trucking, an impressive bridge between tradition, performance, and the ultimate in road-bound luxury. Peterbilt 589 Ultra Cab. The Peterbilt 589 Ultra Cab combines classic American charm with cutting-edge technology, creating a sleeper that honors tradition while redefining comfort. Its long, imposing nose and signature vertical stacks signal the iconic heritage, but step inside, and it becomes clear this is no ordinary truck. The Ultra Cab houses a custom-built sleeper stretching over 12.5 feet, designed to offer unparalleled living space on the road. Every feature has been thoughtfully planned for life beyond short hauls, from climate-controlled interiors to ample storage that keeps everything organized and within reach. Under the hood, the PACCAR MX-13 inline-6 engine delivers 510 horsepower and over 1,850 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 12-speed automated transmission and 6x4 drivetrain. Despite its extended length, the truck glides smoothly across highways and steep climbs, proving that performance and comfort can coexist seamlessly. Inside, a queen-size bed, built-in fridge, microwave, and overhead cabinets create a functional, self-contained home. Ambient LED lighting, leather finishes, and chrome accents add sophistication without compromising practicality. What sets the Ultra Cab apart is its balance between nostalgia and innovation. Collectors and full-time drivers alike admire its ability to preserve the soul of classic trucks while providing modern amenities for long journeys. Some enthusiasts even invest in multiple units, one to drive, and one as a collectible testament to the craft. The Peterbilt 589 Ultra Cab proves that the highway can be more than a route, it can be a sanctuary, a rolling home where tradition, performance, and luxury converge, setting the stage for the even more extreme builds still to come. Peterbilt 389. The Peterbilt 389 is a modern classic, a truck that shouts tradition while embracing contemporary power and comfort. Its iconic long hood and polished chrome wheels command attention at every stop, yet the real marvel lies in its fully customized sleeper. Extended chassis and meticulous craftsmanship transform this truck into a spacious home on wheels, offering everything needed for life on the road week after week. This is not merely a vehicle, it is a sanctuary where performance meets luxury in perfect harmony. At its heart, the Cummins X15 inline-6 engine produces 605 horsepower and over 2,000 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 18-speed manual transmission and a 6x4 drivetrain, the Peterbilt 389 handles the weight of its oversized sleeper effortlessly, gliding smoothly across highways, hills, and long hauls. Every detail inside reflects the dedication of owners who personally oversee design, ensuring that functionality and style coexist seamlessly. Step into the sleeper, and you're met with a large bed, built-in cabinetry, microwave, fridge, TV, and refined wood and leather finishes that radiate both comfort and rugged sophistication. The dashboard integrates analog charm with modern tech, creating a retro-modern environment that respects tradition without sacrificing convenience. Owners have even personalized their rigs with custom paint and names, turning each truck into a unique statement of lifestyle and identity. The Peterbilt 389 proves that legacy does not limit innovation. It elevates trucking to an art form, blending history, performance, and bespoke luxury. For drivers who live on the road, it is more than a truck, it is a home, a statement, and a rolling testament to what extreme custom craftsmanship can achieve, setting the bar for the builds that follow. Volvo VNL Mega Sleeper ARI Legacy. Realm the RI Legacy, wanneer harms no but I will. Toekijk de van de lieben to stekkerpie with your farm. Volvo VNL Mega Sleeper ARI Legacy. Volvo VNL. Toekijk de farm en neem ik kalma to with your rive fin you ein cybel trouw expansion. Toekijk de farm Volvo VNL. Muck. Volvo VNL Finchi with Anduin. Lenduin Folak. Toekijk de farm Volvo VNL. Muckas menge. With molike skyn for morge thripetuite sive. Toekijk de farm Volvo VNL Diamondblot. Volvo VNL Finchip. Volvo VNL Finchip. Bowazl Dubwave. To Megzo even by the Volvo VNL Mega Sleeper ARI Legacy transforms an already impressive highway performer into the ultimate rolling home. At first glance, the VNL 64 T300 showcases sleek lines and aerodynamic precision, but once fitted with the custom ARI Legacy sleeper, it becomes something entirely extraordinary. Stretching around 15 feet, the sleeper is a masterclass in combining comfort, functionality, and luxury, turning every journey into a fully immersive living experience. Life on the road is no longer a compromise, it becomes a statement of freedom and refinement. Under the hood, the Volvo D13 inline-6 engine delivers 500 horsepower and over 1,850 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 12-speed automated transmission, 6x4 drivetrain, and full air suspension. Despite the massive sleeper attached, the truck rides smoothly, maintaining complete control even across long hauls. Inside, the living quarters impress with a full kitchen equipped with stove, microwave, and full-size fridge, a queen-size bed, a complete bathroom with shower, and meticulously planned storage. Ambient lighting, wood finishes, and leather touches create a warm, inviting space that rivals even luxury apartments. What makes this build truly remarkable is the story behind it. Designed for a couple who sold their house to live full-time on the road, the mega sleeper Ari Legacy proves that with vision and dedication, mobility and comfort can coexist perfectly. Even the garage-style design integrates seamlessly with the living area, ensuring every inch serves purpose. This truck is more than engineering, it is lifestyle, passion, and innovation on wheels. It sets a new benchmark for what a custom sleeper can achieve, hinting at the even more extreme builds awaiting later in this journey. Peterbilt 379 Smith's Roller Fleet. The Peterbilt 379 has long been celebrated as an icon of American trucking, but the Smith's Roller Fleet takes this legacy to an entirely new level. At first glance, these trucks showcase the familiar long hood and polished chrome, yet the extended chassis and custom sleeper conversions reveal a level of ambition few have dared to attempt. Each rig combines raw power with ultimate luxury, creating mobile homes that reflect both engineering mastery and personal vision. Life on the road here is not just endured, it is elevated to a lifestyle. Beneath the surface, a Cummins X15 inline-6 engine delivers up to 600 horsepower and over 1,850 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 18-speed manual transmission and a 6x4 drivetrain, these machines handle immense weight and long distances with grace and precision. Even with the oversized sleepers, air suspension ensures smooth rides across highways, hills, and uneven terrain. The Smiths have perfected the balance between performance and living comfort, ensuring their rigs are capable, reliable, and commanding. Inside, the over 160-inch sleepers are designed for full-time habitation. Large beds, built-in cabinetry, refrigerators, microwaves, premium sound systems, and televisions create a sense of home far from the roadside. Finishes of dark wood, LED lighting, and high-grade insulation blend practicality with refined aesthetics, proving that comfort need not compromise durability. Each truck tells a story of dedication, customization, and personal pride, with names and unique paint schemes marking their individuality. The Peterbilt 379 in the Smith's Roller Fleet is more than a vehicle. It is a statement of freedom, a mobile sanctuary, and a testament to the possibilities of extreme custom trucking. Volvo VNL with integrated garage. The Volvo VNL with integrated garage pushes the concept of living on the road into entirely new territory. At first glance, it seems like a standard Volvo VNL, sleek, aerodynamic, and built for efficiency. Yet the custom Ari Legacy sleeper, stretching over 16 feet, transforms it into a complete home on wheels. Beyond luxury living, this build introduces a rear garage designed to carry motorcycles and mobile work equipment, blending practicality with extreme customization. For those who live and work on the road, this rig is nothing short of revolutionary. Under the hood, the 13-liter Volvo D13 inline-6 engine produces 500 horsepower and over 1,850 pound-feet of torque. A 12-speed automated transmission, 6x4 drivetrain, and full air suspension maintain a smooth, stable ride, even with the extended sleeper and integrated garage. Inside, the living space is meticulously crafted for full-time life on the road. A cream-colored bed, full kitchen with microwave and stove, upper cabinets, a large fridge, and a complete bathroom with shower ensure comfort is never sacrificed. Ambient lighting, leather finishes, and climate control create a warm, inviting atmosphere, turning every journey into an immersive experience. The rear garage, accessible via a roll-up door and ramp, allows for easy storage of motorcycles or gear, fully ventilated and illuminated for practicality. This integration transforms the truck into a mobile workshop and home in one, a rare combination of convenience and luxury. Named Freedom by its owners, this Volvo VNL embodies independence, proving that mobility, comfort, and functionality can coexist perfectly. It sets a new benchmark for road living, offering a glimpse into the future of fully equipped, extreme custom trucks. Kenworth W990 with 261-inch Ari Legacy Sleeper. The Kenworth W990 with its 261-inch Ari Legacy Sleeper is the pinnacle of custom trucking, a true marvel of engineering and luxury. At over 21 feet of sleeper space, it dwarfs nearly every truck on the road, transforming the concept of a mobile home into something almost unimaginable. Every detail, from the stretched chassis to the meticulously designed interior, speaks of ambition, precision, and an unrelenting pursuit of comfort and functionality. This is not just a truck, it is a rolling palace on wheels, built for those who have made the highway their ultimate home. Powering this colossal machine is a Cummins X15 inline-six engine delivering 605 horsepower and over 2,000 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 18-speed Eaton manual transmission and 6x4 drivetrain, the W990 moves effortlessly despite its massive length, while air suspension ensures a smooth ride across all terrains. It proves that extreme comfort need not compromise raw performance, combining muscle and refinement in perfect harmony. Step inside, and the sleeper reveals a luxurious world. A full kitchen with large fridge, microwave, and stovetop, king-size bed, recliners, big-screen TV, premium audio, and a fully enclosed bathroom with ceramic toilet and shower. Dark wood finishes, soft lighting, and dual-zone climate control provide a sophisticated, home-like atmosphere, while the exterior commands attention with polished wheels, chrome stacks, and an elongated, majestic profile. This truck sets the ultimate benchmark for custom sleepers, proving that when vision, craftsmanship, and ambition collide, the highway becomes more than a road, it becomes a life, a home, and a statement of limitless possibilities.